friends. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the garbage truck in the US. Blue colored bins are used for collecting materials that are recyclable. Here is like recycle. I can show you one of the recycled trash. The back is blue because this is blue, and the front has like a can because we can recycle a can and put more soda. Here we have trash. Gray bins should be for household waste items that cannot be placed in your recycling bins. Now we have food scraps. Green bins are used for collecting kitchen and other plant or animal waste. This is how the garbage truck functions. There we go. And then when it's not like this, it's like this. Then you just do that until it opens and all the trash falls out. So let's be mindful about categorizing our waste so it helps the environment. Look, we can also do like this. This toy also has horn. If you like this video, do hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more such videos. Bye, friends!